It's hungry?
Daddy.
Where is the bird?
It's me, Daddy, now. Mommy. Bird is hungry, Mom.
Oh.
Mommy. Mom.
Yeah.
Bird is hungry, Mom.
I know. What's he gonna eat?
It's movie. Eat.
What is the bird gonna eat?
No, Mom. It's ice, Mommy.
Eat bugs
Eating books.
and worms?
Turtle.
Turtle?
Me is scared, Mom.
The turtle is scared?
Me scared bird.
You're scared of birds. Don't be scared.
Turtle is scared of bird.
The turtle is scared of birds? Is the bird gonna eat the turtle? Is that why he's scared?
It's scared of me, turtle.
Is the turtle scared because he doesn't want to get eaten?
And me eat. Bird is eating its turtle. Oh, it's books.
Yeah, the bird is eating turtles and bugs?
No.
Wow.
It's eating trucks.
Trucks?
The dirt.
He's eating what?
Turtle is eating its dirt.
The turtle is eating dirt?
No, bird is hungry and bird another box.
The bird is hungry and eating bugs?
Maybe no, mommy.
Say, yep.
Yep.
Yes, ma'am.
Look, trucks and butterflies.
You saw butterflies?
Mom,
What?
truck is for and butterflies.
The truck is on the floor eating butterflies?
It's eating the turtle.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, is it the turtle truck?